Welcome to our comprehensive guide on installing Cork wall tiles or panels. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process, from preparing the surface to applying adhesive and completing the installation. Let's get started. Step 1. Before we begin, it's important to let the Cork wall tiles acclimate inside their packaging for 48 hours. Maintain the temperature and humidity within the installation area consistent with the occupied conditions. Step 2. Here are the tools you'll need for the installation: a cutter, ruler, pencil, chalk line, roller, wooden or rubber mallet, pinch roller, and water-based contact adhesive, such as Wakoldi 3540 Cork adhesive or 3M30 NF Green Fastbond contact adhesive. Step 3. The quality of the installation depends on proper surface preparation. Cork tiles are suitable for installation on drywall or smooth-sided plywood. It is important to note that Cork tiles should never be placed on top of wallpaper. If there is existing wallpaper, it must be removed before installation. Step 4. If there is any paint on the wall, it is recommended to prime the surfaces with 2 coats of water or latex-based primer before installing the tiles. Prior to installation, ensure that there are no leftover residues on the wall. In some cases, it may be necessary to carefully sand down the wall to remove any old adhesive. Step 5. Cork is a natural material with slight variations in color and structure. Before installation, shuffle different packs to achieve a harmonious blend. Check for any differences in size between tiles and group tiles of the same size if necessary. Lay out the Cork wall tiles on the floor and adjust them until you're satisfied with the layout. Step 6. Measure the width and length of the wall, then divide it and mark a guideline in the middle. Measure the length and width of the tiles panels and divide the wall's dimensions accordingly. If the last tile will be shorter than 50 mm, cut the first tile to adjust. Step 7. Use a high-quality, low-nap microfiber roller to apply adhesive. Pour the adhesive into a clean paint pan. Saturate the roller with the adhesive and roll it onto the back of the tiles, ensuring a complete film of adhesive. Apply a coat of adhesive to the wall as well. The adhesive will turn clear and become tacky to the touch in approximately 30 to 60 minutes, depending on humidity and the substrate type. Step 8. Once the adhesive is dry, start placing the tiles carefully along the starting guideline. Align each subsequent tile to the edges of the previous one and the guideline. Pay close attention to alignment, ensuring tight seams. After applying each tile, use a rubber hammer to tap it and a roller to press it firmly, especially around corners and edges. Continue setting rows until all tiles are installed. Note that once a tile is down, it cannot be moved. Cutting and trimming. Mark the tiles for cutting and use a sharp knife to slice them. Press the cut tiles onto the wall and trim corner tiles if necessary, like fitting puzzle pieces. Step 9. If you have installed 6 mm or 8 mm Cork tiles on walls, we recommend applying 1 to 2 coats of Loba 2000 Super AT polyurethane to seal the seams and prevent shrinkage. This step is not necessary for textured wall panels. Cork tiles naturally expand and contract in response to changes in temperature, humidity, and moisture content. Maintain a relative humidity between 40% and 60% for the ideal room condition. During winter, when heated rooms may have lower humidity, use humidifiers and introduce houseplants. Installing Cork wall tiles or panels requires careful preparation, precise measurements, and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide and considering the tips provided, you can achieve a successful installation that enhances the beauty and functionality of your space. Thank you for watching.